Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to trim video in Shotcut. Before I get to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below say I subscribe. I reply as soon as possible. Okay, now let's jump to the tutorial and then open our Shotcut and then drag your video file. Okay, this one. Add video track. Okay, now after we add and then we will see and then drag until see which one you do want. Okay, let's drag to the back for more easier. And then you see here this one, and it already stop talking and then no the sound wave. So you press this and then you adjust and then you'll see this at here and then you press S on your keyboard, S, letter S, and then it will split. So now so you can see this and then you just press this and then press delete. Okay, now your trim video done. So now the video are trimmed. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share my videos. See you next video.